In today's globalized world, understanding and appreciating different cultures is more important than ever. By learning about various traditions, customs, and beliefs from around the world, we broaden our perspectives and open our minds to new ways of thinking. It helps us see beyond the borders of our own country and understand the richness of human diversity. But why is this so important for personal growth? To begin with, learning about different cultures promotes tolerance and empathy. When we are exposed to cultures that are different from our own, we start to understand the values and norms that shape people's behavior. This understanding helps us become more open-minded and less judgmental. For instance, when we learn about the customs and traditions of another culture, we begin to realize that there are many valid ways of living and thinking. This fosters empathy, allowing us to connect with others on a deeper level, regardless of cultural differences. Moreover, experiencing different cultures can also improve our communication skills. When interacting with people from various cultural backgrounds, we learn how to adapt our communication style to be more effective. This is an essential skill in both personal and professional settings. For example, in some cultures, direct communication is valued, while in others, people may prefer a more indirect approach. By learning about these differences, we become better communicators and more aware of how to express ourselves in diverse situations. Another significant impact of learning about different cultures is that it helps us develop critical thinking. When we compare our own culture to others, we begin to question certain assumptions we've grown up with. This process encourages us to think critically about our own beliefs and values, helping us to become more reflective and thoughtful individuals. For example, by examining how different cultures approach education, we may find new methods or practices that could be beneficial to our own learning. Furthermore, cultural exposure encourages creativity and innovation. When we are inspired by different traditions, art, or ideas from around the world, it sparks new ways of thinking and problem-solving. Many groundbreaking innovations throughout history have been influenced by cross-cultural exchanges. For instance, the development of new technologies, or creative industries, often draws inspiration from various cultures. This diversity of thought leads to more original ideas and approaches to challenges. Lastly, learning about different cultures enriches our own personal experiences and helps us grow as individuals. Traveling to new places, tasting unfamiliar foods, or engaging with different art forms broadens our horizons and makes life more exciting. Each new culture we learn about adds depth to our understanding of the world and helps us grow into more well-rounded individuals. In conclusion, learning about different cultures is not only important for developing a more tolerant and open-minded society, but it also plays a crucial role in personal growth. By understanding the traditions, values, and customs of others, we become more empathetic, improve our communication skills, and develop critical thinking. Most importantly, we learn that the world is full of diverse and fascinating ideas, all of which contribute to our personal development. How can learning about different cultures help us improve our communication skills? In what ways does cultural diversity inspire creativity and innovation?